Well, can't believe how lucky we are, guys. The cormorants is free sat in the tree. So yeah, we're just heading off up the track now to the location, hopefully where we're going to see the cormorant. It's a beautiful spot here in the Derbyshire Dales. This is Irwood Reservoir. It's got some amazing fauna and flora to photograph. I've just spotted a beautiful tree, a really old gnarly oak tree back here, which I think we'll call back on in a bit, see if the light improves a bit. Well, can't believe how lucky we are, guys. The cormorants is free sat in the tree. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Not going to be brilliant. The shots, obviously when we get back we can edit them. So yeah, we've got the 600mm Sigma lens on, and we're trialling at the moment this superb and beautifully finished Niwa battery grip, and we've got the Niwa gimbal, which, to be honest with you, is working absolutely awesomely. That's the Niwa gimbal. Really pleased with this piece of kit. So yeah, it's a beautiful location here. We're just set up. We're hoping to see the Chinese ducks actually later. Might even get a... I think it's probably a bit too overcast now for a super sunset. I really want the cormorant to fly. I'd love him to fly because he got some absolutely amazing wingspans. He did do a little bit of fluffing up a few minutes ago, but we missed that. I was rummaging around in the rucksack. Never mind. He's been sitting here for hours and not moved. He's got to get hungry soon. You won't be able to see, but right out in the middle, use the finger. Oh, finger's too big. There's some, I can't remember the name of them. They're a type of Chinese duck, and they've got amazing colours on their heads. I'm going to try and zoom out there with the 600mm, and hopefully maybe grab a shot. Well, guys, that was a pretty interesting little session there. We got the flight shot coming off the branch, and we also got the little Chinese ducks in the water. Sad thing is, I forgot to turn on the servo for the flight shot. Never mind. I think I was just too overexcited. Yeah.